Hey, Wajah tum ho.
I managed to reach on time. I'm back in Mumbai.
See, today I broke the jinx, huh? I'm on time.
Well, so am I. I'm always on time.
Let's go.
How are you?
कैसा मूवी था? गुड या माथा फोड़?
Good या माथा फोड़? Third class movie था. Last scene में तो गान कर दिया.
वजह तुम हो, वजह तुम हो, हम जो शेरो शायरी करने लगे, वजह तुम हो.
How's the movie?
They have bunked their college. They have bunked their college. They don't want to show their face so that their mom and dad will see it and they'll be caught. Okay, bye. Good morning, namaste, sat shri akal, and a very big salam to all of you. On the spot selfie style review पे मैं हूँ शोएब सुल्तान.
And this is Chirag Shah. What's up, everyone? Selfie style on the spot review.
Yes, WTH वजह तुम हो.
yes.
इस फिल्म के डायरेक्टर हैं विशाल पांड्या और ये एक सस्पेंस थ्रिलर मूवी है. ऐसा विशाल पांड्या जी का खुद दावा है. He claims that.
Yes. And after watching this film, it makes you realize that every director wants to make a good film, but sometimes things go wrong, you know? And unfortunately, the problem with this film is that it's the type of film that stretches for 15 minutes even after it's finished. It's the type of film where if the hero is punched, he'll go flying 15 feet in the air.
Yo, man, yeah.
It's the type of film where the audience is laughing when they're supposed to be crying, when they're supposed to be shocked.
Yeah. They are literally really laughing.
Unintentional comedy, means the film did not work.
सीधी सी बात है चिराग, एक अच्छी मूवी, सक्सेसफुल मूवी होने का एक ही रीजन होता है, दैट इज ऑडियंस कनेक्टिविटी. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन इट इज अ सस्पेंस थ्रिलर मूवी, देन द ऑडियंस हैज टू गेट कनेक्टेड विद द प्रोटैगनिस्ट, विद द हीरो, विद द स्टोरी. इस फिल्म में वो चीज बिल्कुल नहीं थी. द कनेक्शन वाज टोटली मिसिंग. So what do you think? Is it the writer to be blamed for building up that characterization?
Yes, the writer is to be blamed, and if you notice, they realized this thing on the editing table. That is why the music is so loud. They had to add a bunch of visual effects and zoom jam, loud music, all these stylized moments to hide the fact that there is no content. To hide the fact that the film is badly made, unfortunately.
And this is very dangerous for especially a suspense thriller. Am I right?
You are absolutely correct, my friend.
Second most important thing in any suspense thriller movie is its villain, man. उस film का villain. अगर वही strong नहीं होगा, hateful नहीं होगा, mastermind नहीं होगा, then who the hell is interested to know the suspense?
Yes.
And all the antique of the hero, the protagonist just goes flat, totally flat.
The twist was really bad, by the way. It's like as if at the end they were like, यार कोई twist नहीं है, चल वापस शूट करते हैं, and they just randomly added that twist at the end.
That was a put off, really put off. इस फिल्म में एंड में ये रियलाइज होता है कि इसका तो कोई हीरो ही नहीं है. So that is really bad. Performance wise, like it was, I would say, Gurmeet Chaudhary, bits and pieces. He was good types, and Sana Khan, like she's really beautiful, but she is too made up, like too much of makeup and her hair. इतने fix हैं कि लगता है कि एक curl भी हिलेगा नहीं.
Staring at a blank wall is more entertaining.
And on top of that, मतलब she's playing a lawyer. She's not into the character, but in all other aspects she's excelling. Like she could be said as a glad rag poster girl, like, and what so I should not say whatever, but definitely not a lawyer.
She's a model, she's not an actress. Let's put it
so
that
was thing. Describing her, Rajni, the character Rajni, it comes to my mind, she has really played it very well.
Really?
Her name is Pratna, this actress name is Pratna. She has come across very beautifully. Her performance is really good, it touches your heart. So that is what was needed from the lead actress of the film, right? So in all, this film is actually not working for me.
Good. It's one of those. It's like those films that release every Friday and just come and go. You don't even notice that they exist. And I feel this is going to be one of those films. And we kind of felt that it was.
That's sad. That's sad. But
yeah.
if you want to praise, तारीफ ही करनी है, then again I would praise Vishal Pandya for maintaining the suspense till the end. Really, he has maintained the suspense. Thing is, जब कनेक्शन ही नहीं है तो ऑडियंस को इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है तो वो सस्पेंस क्यों जानना चाहिए? आई मीन की फर्क पैदा है यार.
Wait, so you didn't figure out what was going to happen like halfway through the film?
No, actually no. We were he was, honestly speaking, yes, he was successful in dodging the audience. Even I thought कि no, the if I speak much, the suspense would be out. So I was wrong throughout. My judgments were wrong, and
Really?
he leaded it there. Where the film had to end, he introduced some more character, and the film again stretched.
Okay.
Anyways, it's not
But,
that bad much. It's not that bad.
No, I'm
One
not
more
a
thing I
fan.
would like to tell you: if you will go, there is something for your rescue, and those are the semi-pone, semi-naked types of songs. If you enjoy that,
Yeah.
please go full on.
They needed that to get the people to the theater because they have nothing
Gurmeet
else.
Chaudhary's abs, Sana Khan's beauty, that is what you can see and enjoy
Cleavage.
the movie. Rest,
Lots of kissing.
no for me.
If you like that, watch the film. If you like kissing and cleavage.
So, wait for our next review. Coming back very soon, Shoaib Sultan.
Chirag Shah.
Bye,
Peace
see you.
out.